Hello students, welcome to English class. Today I am going to teach you a grammar portion, idioms and phrasal verbs. What is an idiom? Idioms are group of words put together to give a specific or a particular meaning. Idioms are generally expressions very peculiar to a language. Idioms play an important role in all languages. It gives a different meaning, not the literal meaning of the words. See, for example, cat is out of the bag. If you say the cat is out of the bag, it does not mean literally a small cat jumping out of a bag, but it has a figurative meaning, which means the secret is out. So this is the difficulty in understanding idioms. The meaning of idioms cannot be assumed based on the individual meaning of the words. Next, phrasal verbs. What is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is an idiomatic phrase consisting of a verb and another element. That other element may be an adverb or a preposition or sometimes both together also. And this phrase, this idiomatic phrase, it also gives a different meaning. It does not give the meaning, literal meaning of the words there. See, for example, ran out. The crew ran out of water and food before they could complete their expedition. Here, in this sentence, ran out is the phrasal verb. It means to use completely. The crew had used the water completely and the food also completely. That is the meaning in this sentence. Now, I'll give you the meaning of some idiomatic phrases and phrasal verbs which we use in our day-to-day life. First, come across, meaning to meet someone, to meet a person, or to find something by chance, unexpectedly. Example, I came across a word that I had never seen before. Next, workout, meaning to develop or progress, especially in a good way. To do physical exercises in order to keep your body fit. Example, I work out regularly to keep fit. Next, bring it on, meaning used to express confidence in meeting a challenge. Example, if they want to take the complaint to the court, bring it on. That is, the person here in this sentence is ready to face the challenge even in the court. That is the meaning of the term bring it on. Next, shut down, meaning cease or cause something to cease. Stop either business or any other activities. Example, time will tell how long this government shutdown will last. Next, look after, meaning take care of. Example, women, those who stay at home, look after their children. Next, over the moon, meaning to be very pleased, feeling very happy. Example, she was over the moon about her new bike. Next, sharp as a tack, meaning extremely clever or very, very clever. Example, she is sharp as a tack. Next, warm up, meaning to prepare to do an activity or sport by practicing gently. Example, the team warmed up before the match. Next, hang on, meaning to wait for a short time and to hold something tightly. Example, hang on a minute, I'm nearly ready. That means wait for a minute or wait for some time. Next, take off, meaning to leave the ground and start flying. Example, the airplane took off from the airport. Next, lend an ear, meaning listen sympathetically or attentively. Example, we must lend our ears to those who are in trouble. Next, once in a blue moon, meaning very rarely. And sometimes it means never. Example, he comes around once in a blue moon. Next, keep one's eye on the ball, meaning to continue thinking about or giving attention to something very important. Example, she really needs to keep her eye on the ball if she wants to win the race. Next, heart of gold, meaning a very kind and good nature. Example, Ram is very generous. He has a heart of gold. Next, man of his word, meaning a man who keeps promises, who can be trusted. Example, he is a man of his word. Now, we have come to the end of the class, children. Hope you would have understood the grammar portion. Do the exercises given in book. That is Unit 3, book exercise, idioms and phrasal verbs. 3 exercises are given. I'll give the exercise in a PDF form for the students, those who do not have a textbook. So you can follow that PDF, work out the exercises, and copy it in your classwork notebook. I shall meet you in another video with another lesson. Have a blessed day.